Forms are one of the easiest ways to stay organized and deliver a smooth client experience. So, in this video, we'll show you how to create and customize forms in Travefy. Use smart fields to automatically sync client details to contacts and securely collect sensitive information like credit card authorizations and passport details. So, let's dive in. To create a new form or view and manage forms you've already created, you'll go into your library at the top of your Travefy account like this. If you're new to the library, this is where all of your reusable content lives. Things like itineraries, proposals, landing pages, forms, task lists, and more. Think of it as your central hub for content you create, save, and reuse. But once in the library, go ahead and click New Library Item button, and in the drop-down options, select Form. Once you have a new form opened, you can give it a title here. When building a form, you can start completely from scratch, but for most advisors, the easiest and fastest way is to begin with one of our templates and customize it from there. That's exactly what we'll do in this video, so you can see how to take a ready-made form and quickly make it your own. You'll notice that this template includes both basic client info and trip planning questions. That's the flexibility Travefy gives you when creating forms. You can ask exactly what you need, whether it's contact details, travel preferences, or anything in between. Since this form is being used earlier in the sales process, or if you just like to keep things lighter, you can easily remove any questions you don't need like this. And then to add something new to the form, go ahead and click Add New at the bottom. From here, you can add a question. You can include images or text-only sections, or even embed a calendar for scheduling. But let's go ahead and choose to add a question. Now, I'm going to ask a question to collect their address so I know where they're traveling from and to keep for marketing purposes in the future. For the response type, I'm going to click this drop-down menu and select Smart Field. This is important because what a smart field does is it connects a form question directly to a client's contact profile. So if the client already exists, their info updates automatically within their client profile. And if they're new, it fills in the right fields when the contact is created. We include the smart fields advisors use most, and you can also create custom ones to track the details that matter to you. Smart fields can be managed anytime from contacts. But with that, your form is complete and ready to share. Now, once your form is ready, click Share at the top. From here, you can copy the link to send to your clients, or you can email the form directly from Travefy. And here's what the form will look like for your clients. Now, after a form is submitted, you'll receive an email notification. You can also view all submissions directly inside the form by clicking Responses. Here's an example of a form that already has responses. I also want to quickly point out that you have the option to export all responses at once from here. And once a response is connected to a client profile, you can quickly view those form details directly inside each contact. Now, if you're new to contacts, be sure to check out our contacts video next. But now let's look at how Travefy helps you safely and securely collect sensitive client information like credit card authorizations, e-signatures, and passport details. Travefy is fully PCI compliant and built with industry standard security, so you can collect this information with confidence and peace of mind. To get started with secure forms, you'll first want to make sure your account has two-factor authentication, or 2FA, enabled. You can set this up in your account settings. You'll add a phone number or email to receive a one-time verification code that confirms it's you. Once that's set up, you're good to go. From here, you can go ahead and create a new form, either by building those questions manually or by starting with one of Travefy's pre-built templates. When sending a credit card authorization form, be sure to include the authorization description, the amount needed, and the authorization deadline. After the form is submitted, you'll receive it just like any other form response, and you can securely view the credit card details directly within the client's contact profile. And that's how you use Travefy Forms to collect client information. Whether it's basic details, trip preferences, or sensitive information, safely and securely all in one place. If you need help getting started or have any questions, please reach out to our team. Thank you so much for watching.